Hi guys, welcome to Chem Clarity. Today we'll be learning on how to calculate oxidation number of an atom in a compound. First thing you are going to do is to know the definition of oxidation number. What do we understand by oxidation number? Oxidation number is the number of electrons gained or lost in an atom. Oxidation number, which can be shortened as OX, oxidation number is the number of electrons gained or lost in an atom. The number of electrons gained or lost in an atom is referred to as oxidation number. Sometimes it can be referred to as valence electron, the valence charge of an atom. Now, there are rules of calculating oxidation number. The first one is rule 1 of calculating oxidation number. Rule 1 is that the oxidation number of an isolated element or compound equals to 0. Oxidation number of isolated element or a compound is 0. The oxidation number of isolated elements or oxidation number of a compound is 0. Then rule 2. The oxidation number of group 1, group 2, and group 3 is +1, +2, and +3 respectively. Now, another rule is that rule 3. The oxidation number of oxygen is -2. It is constant. The oxidation number of oxygen is -2. And another rule is oxidation number of an ion equals to the charge on the ion. So the oxidation number of an ion equals to the charge on the ion. For example, now Cl minus chloride ion is an ion, not just chlorine. Now, the oxidation number of fluorine will be -1 because we said the oxidation number of an ion equals to the charge on the ion. Now, another example, let's say SO4 2-, then the oxidation number of this will be 2-, -2.